try to think about what you think the slope of this line would be. Pause the video and then come back and compare your answer to mine. You may not have had to do any kind of calculation if you remember what we talked about when we did the Desmos on Friday. Actually, one class didn't get to this part, but if you think about the slopes we've been looking at, the steeper the line, the higher the slope. It's either a very big positive number or the opposite of a very big positive number if it's very steep. If it's very flat, the closer it gets to flat or horizontal, the smaller the slope is, the lower the value. So the lowest possible value would be when it's completely flat and horizontal, and in that case the slope would be 0. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. But I can prove it by using the delta y over delta x. Let me just pick two random points on the line. If I do delta y over delta x for slope, if I'm starting here and moving here, what's the change in y? Well, this y is 2. This point is negative 2, 2. This point is 1, 2. I start at 2 and I end at 2. The change in y is 0. The change in x would be 3 to the right, so positive 3. But it doesn't matter because 0 divided by 3 is just 0. If I had started here and gone the other way, 0 divided by negative 3 is also 0. So if you have a horizontal line, the slope is 0.